Hello, it's Fiona Fernandez, Stampin Up independent demonstrator in Pyrmont, and there's my details. So I've just got a quick little unboxing. Got my box the other day. It's only got a few little things in there, but it's always fun doing it live, isn't it? It's always a bit of a surprise. So during July, there's lots of new things happening with Stampin Up. They've got the online exclusives now, which you need to be in the online shop to see. They're not things in the catalogue. They've brought a whole lot of new stuff out last week. And what else happened? There's a new kit coming out. Oh, it's out now. You can look at that online. Got a few things in here. I've got one of the kits that came out recently, and you'll find that online. So this one here, these are called the Bright and Beautiful Memories and More card pack, and they are so cute. So they go, I'll show you where they are in the cat. These are in the catalogue. Let's grab my catalogue, and you'll find them at the back, sort of more towards. Let me see if I can find them. They're in here somewhere. So after all the stamps finish on page 118. After that, if you go through your catalogue, and if you don't have a catalogue, let me know if you'd like one, if you don't have a demonstrator in Australia, because we've got a new catalogue coming soon, so the mailer will close at the end of this month. So let me know, because I get Stampin' Up to send mine out to my customers. I do that complimentary. So on page 134 and 35, you've got these little memories and more. There's also cards and envelopes, but I just got the little pack of these ones here. And they've got lots of little cards in them that you can use for scrapbooking or make cards out of them. And use them for whatever you like. I'll just open up the pack in a second. So there's actually an album you can buy, and the cards fit in this. If you do have a catalogue, the price is $20.25. They had an error there. It's not $18.50. So I'll just have a quick look at those. And now these also coordinate with the, where is it? Bright and Beautiful. Bright and Beautiful on page 14 and 15 here. They coordinate with this set. So I love it when they do this, because they have coordinating products to go with that. Well, let's have a look in there. So I've actually used some cards from another pack over on my wall on my magnet board. So one of the kits is a magnet board, and you can hang it on your wall, and I've got all little bits in there, and there's another packet that's got cards in it that you can write on. This one might be a bit different. Oh no, it's similar. Here, let's have a quick look through them. Oh, my focus right. So they're all double-sided, and usually you get 2 of each card. And they're gorgeous. I hadn't seen these yet. I meant to order them a while ago when I bought the pack. I did a card class on this, so I do sell my PDF instructions after my classes. You'll find them on my blog. Some of them are on the blog, some of them are on my Square shop, but if you're looking for them, go to the blog, and you can always contact me from there, or just send me a message. You can do it. That's mine this week. Just started a new job in doing some reception work, so this is I'll have to hang that one on the wall, I think. You can do it. I need it twice, because starting a new job can be a little daunting. We'll get there. Happy birthday. Congrats. You deserve it. It's got some plain things on the back. Oh, I was flipping them. I'll put them over there now. I'll just put them over there. Oh, these are gorgeous. Yeah, you. So you can just use these on a card. Now, one of the papers looks a bit like that. One of the designer series papers. Now this one here, Oh, they're stickers. So you've got stickers in the pack. See, they're little stickers there. And they're solid on the back. So you can use those in a diary or on cards. Really cute. Way to go. Love it. And that's the first one I started with. Very nice. Love them. Here's another one. So you could even bundle them on a card. So you could use that on top of that to make your card front. And there you've got a card. So it's nice and quick to make cards. The back of those. So these type of thing you could write on these. And like I said, I could use some of these in my little board over there. Hip hip hooray. Little grid paper. You can design things on there, sketch. Oh, happy day. Cheers to you. It's got that one, so you could put that one up that way, or whichever way you like, sideways. To do a class on these ones. Way to go. Oh, I keep turning them around. So thrilled for you. Now there's a stamp in the stamp set that it does this as well. So that's good to know. And some designer series paper like that. There's a little one you can write on there. Get a lot of cards in the pack. Didn't read the packet. Where's the packet gone? I've buried the packet now. What's it got in there? It just says one set. Yeah, it's quite a lot. I'm not counting. I'll have to go back and have a look. Fun times, good friends, great memories, and lots of stars. You were seriously the best. Enjoy today. There's a star. More dots on the back. And this one is like one of the designer series papers. Hip hip hooray. Oh, I put that one over there. It's a little border. You did it! I have to put that with my other one. Make every day a celebration. Oh, did I go to the back of you did it? Or did I just get carried away on you did it? There's the back of you did it. Got to be carried away there. Alright, what's this one saying? You can do this. Good times. Today will be great. So you could cut them up if you wanted to, or use them as a solid. Lovely. Oh, hang on. What's on the back of that one? It's just blue. Let's celebrate something amazing. Oh, they're gorgeous, aren't they? So nice. Okay. And I got the Boho Beach kit. I'm going to open this to use in my class next week. I've got a card and cuppa happening. A few people coming. I try to do card and cuppa every second month. Depends what I've got on. So the next one will be in September. So just check my website for those events. Throw that on the floor. Show you this. So when you buy a kit, if they've got stamps in ink in them, they come like this. They have the package there with everything, and then the little stamps will be separate, and then you get a little ink spot as well. Pecan pie. That's one of the new colours. And the whole set comes like this. Pull it out. I'll open it up because then I'll have it open ready for next week. I'm just going to run my scissors along there. And the good thing about the kits too is they've got this cardboard in them to keep everything nice, but you can also use that as a mat to work on. Because they're photopolymer stamps, you would normally work with a Stampin' Piece mat, but if you're out and about and you've only just got this with you, you can just use this cardboard, this piece here, as your mat. So it comes with everything in it that you need to stamp with. So we've got a stamp block in there. It's a clear block. You've got some adhesives in there. That's your double-sided dimensional adhesive. Let's put all this back in the box so I don't lose it all. We've got some twine. And we've got envelopes. Oh, aren't they gorgeous? Look at that. Very pretty. Envelopes. And we've got cards. Card bases. Two different colours normally. I'll show you the instructions in a minute. And in between all that, we've got the stickers and things that go on it to make up the cards. You've got everything in there. You've got your adhesives right at the back there. You've got a little thing of dots. So they're sticky dots. They're double-sided adhesive. When I first got one, I thought they were bling, but they're not. So you put the sticky down. I always use my finger like this and slide it across onto the paper and then peel off the backing. I just find that easy, but you've got to work with how you find it. And then you've got all these little bits here for your stamping. Oh, look at the chairs, aren't they cute? They're so cute, leaves. And then you have an instruction set in there as well. So when I do card and cover, I go to a local cafe to do that. And we just meet together and get a cover. Everyone brings their kits or buys their kits from me beforehand. And we put our cards together. So on the instructions, you've got on the back, it'll show you what's in the kit, everything. And then depending on the instructions. So on this one, it's showing us both the cards here, 1 and 2. We've got 2 cards to complete. As you can see on there, what have we got? That's number 2. This one's number 2. So it shows you what to get out of the box to make this card and what you'll need to make that card. And then you've got a little measurement down the side here to measure your string on. If it's got twine in it, it'll tell you how much to measure when you get down here. Okay, so number 1 has all the instructions, what you need to stamp. And you stamp this onto there, this onto there, and this onto there. And then number 2, it shows you where to stick these. It even shows you where to put the adhesives, look. So these are the little dots. If they're dimensionals, they show you these little shapes here. There's your little measurements. They show you you've got to tie this like that and then pop it on your card. It shows you everything. And then number 2, it goes through the whole card again. So they're really handy little kits, and I think they're really good value because they have everything in them. And now I can't remember off the top of my head how much this one was, but it's on the website in the kits section. If you have a look in there, you'll find it. And I don't have anything open. I haven't got my phone here or anything, so I can't look it up right now. If you need to know, pop it in the comments, or if you haven't got access to the website, and I'll let you know. So this is, now I'm working on another card class at the end of the month, which is done on Zoom, and I'm doing the Earthen Elegance. So I bought a packet of paper. I've already got the stamp set, and I have a few different options on the way I do that. So I'm planning my cards this weekend. Let's get into the paper because I had to open it anyway. Oh, hi Amanda. Do you know how much the boho card kit is? I just showed that and I couldn't remember how much it was. I think it's 30 something, but it could be 40 something. Right, these are the papers. Let me put the box lid down like I do so I can show you the paper. Okay, this stuff is gorgeous. Now I have shown some of this before because I bought some in the paper share, but I thought I'll just get it out and show you again because it's so nice. So you get 2 sheets of each. And that's that one. this one is like that. They so got so much depth in them. I love these papers. Look at that. That's a real pretty peacock, and I think it's got a bit of pool party and coastal. Oh, it's got lots of things. Coastal Grana. Flip through that. It's gorgeous. I think I'll have to use that on one of my cards in a minute. I love it. And they make these, like they showed us in the recent Creativity Now, how they make these. And these are actually done like off tiles and things, and then they print them. It's really amazing. That's another one with the blue. Ah, 39. Thank you. I thought it was 30 something. It's the same one. And this one looks so 3D. Look at that. So that's got, you could cut it that way and do that as the top of the card, or you could have it coming down. You could have it going sideways. Oh, I love the back of this one. Now that would make a great 3D frame, wouldn't it? I think I said that a few weeks ago in my live. I just love, oh, get some of those sea theme things. Put a boat on it or something. Love that. Might have to keep that one for that. And this one has all these drippy bits. Now they told us that they planned this so that you can actually use the dies to cut out the pots so that it actually looks like they're dripping down the side of the pot. Here, I'll show you what I'm talking about. See here? See how they've got pots like this? Look. And they actually planned it that way. So you could cut things with using the dies. The back of that one looks like that. Doing any crafting today, Amanda? Oh, that's the last one. So that's it. And this is the set. This is on page 70 that this one, oh, get my thing going, 70. Earthen Elegance. And that's the paper I just showed you. So it's got all these other things if you want to buy the whole set. And the dies are like this, so you can cut out the pots out of the DSP, Designer Series paper. So I'm just planning what I'm going to do, and I thought, right, I better come and do my unboxing so I can get that paper out and then get on with my planning for my class. So it's the, oh, didn't bring on my dates. Hang on, I've got a diary over here. Just check my diary. It's always good to get the right date, isn't it? So that'll be online on Zoom. 23rd of July is a Sunday afternoon at 2 o'clock. I do my Zoom class, and there's a few different options in there if you have a look on the website. And this is my website, and go to the events in FionaFernandez.stampinup.net, and you can find my events in there. Okay, that's it from me. I'll check on my comments. I think it's only Amanda with that. Oh, you have been crafting, Amanda. Lovely. I've been doing a bit of sewing this morning, and then I was getting into this afternoon. Great. Okay, well, thanks for joining me. And if you're joining me later, thank you. And reach out if you want a catalogue, like I said, because we've got the catalogue mail out at the end of the month. And if you want to go on my mailing list, just click on the link for that, or contact me and I'll give you the link. You get a free card instructions if you join my email list. It's always nice to get something extra, isn't it? Okay, well, have a great day, everybody, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.